How to remove minimum age restrictions on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are on your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. So just a heads up, in order to change age restriction settings, you need to convert your account into professional account first. So simply do that, and once you're done with that, simply scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls under For Professional sections. And from here, simply scroll down and there you will see a minimum age. So simply tap on that. Now here you will have two options. You can set a default minimum age like 25 or assign minimum ages by country. For example, you could set a minimum age to 18 just for users in the Australia, but if you want to remove the restriction entirely, just hit remove button for both options and then tap done. And that's it. Now your content is accessible to everyone regardless of your age and country restriction. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.